How to fix checking for the update Modern Warfare. I am going to show you how you can easily fix checking for the updated Modern Warfare. There exist various solutions to resolve this issue. An easy fix involves canceling the update and giving it another shot. When you encounter checking for updates message, simply hit cancel. After a brief pause, click play once more to retry the update. If the initial attempt fails, consider verifying the game cache. Access your Steam library and right-click on Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. From the drop-down menu, select Properties. Navigate to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Cache. Steam will then scan for any missing or damaged files and proceed to repair them. Once the verification wraps up, launch the game to check if the problem has been resolved. If the earlier attempts haven't resolved the issue, consider resetting your router. Disconnect the router from its power source and allow a 30-second pause. Reconnect the router and wait for it to establish internet connectivity. Attempt to run the game once more. If successful, a temporary network hiccup was probably the cause of the problem. An alternative fix involves adjusting your DNS server settings, as incorrect configurations can trigger the checking for updates error. Access your network settings and choose your connection. Click Properties again and choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter either of the following as the preferred DNS server. Save the changes by clicking OK. Begin by completely uninstalling COD Warfare 3 for your system. Access your Steam library. Right-click on the game and choose Uninstall from the menu. After uninstalling, visit the Steam store to reinstall the game. This process may take a while, contingent upon your internet speed. Once the reinstallation completes, launch the game to check if the issue has been resolved. Occasionally, antivirus or firewall software can disrupt the game's update process. Consider temporarily disabling these programs to check if they are causing the issue. If this resolves the problem, you might need to create an exception for the game in your antivirus or firewall settings. Right-click on the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This action equips Steam with the requisite permissions to conduct game updates. Test the game afterward to determine if the issue has been resolved. If the persistent checking for updates issue in Modern Warfare 3 persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance. Head to the game's official website or support page and locate the Contact Us or Support section. Their team might offer additional troubleshooting steps or escalate the problem to their technical experts for more specialized assistance. After that, your account will be created successfully.